Alliance intelligence reports that the crew of the Imperial corvette Bixby wish to defect. The corvette is currently escorting an Imperial convoy through the Delalt system. X-Wings from Red Squadron, led by Flight Officer Kayan Farlander, will jump in to destroy the Imperial freighters before the transport Dagger boards to help the crew secure the vessel. Be on your guard for any Imperial interference. Red 1, head to the jump point immediately. Red 2 and 3 are already en route.
Acknowledged, Command.
This is Ars Opus to Flight Control. Requesting permission to depart.
Flight Control to Ars Opus. Authorization granted and good luck.
Have assured us that the Corvette's lasers have been disabled. Red 2 and 3 focus on the Orsum and the Esorb. I'll take out the Arrayus.
Acknowledged, Red Leader.
This is the transport Dagger. Cover us while we dock with the Bixby.
Hey, Lead. An Imperial frigate is exiting hyperspace.
The frigate is launching ties. We need to give the Dagger more time.
Keep those ties engaged while the Bixby and the Dagger move to the jump We've secured the Bixby. Red lead to all ships. Make your escape to the jump point.
Roger, lead.
Well done. By keeping the TIE fighters at bay, we were able to secure the Bixby. The captain himself asked me to express his thanks for the rescue. But don't get comfortable. We have troubling news.